with you something about my country, so let's get started. So the name of my country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our birthland. Bangladesh is a small but a beautiful country. The official name of our country is the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Its area is about 1,47,570 square kilometers. Bangladesh has 8 divisions, 64 districts, and 495 upazilas, almost 700 rivers. The Padma, the Meghna, the Jamuna, and the Surma is the main river of our country. There is many historical places like Wari, Bhatishar, Mohastanga, Somapara, Mohabihar.